Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Firewall again. Let's see how we can install a security management server. I have a VMware workstation and I have already downloaded the OS. If you don't know how to download the OS, just go to the Google, type checkpoint upgrade wizard. If you scroll down, there is something called use upgrade wizard checkpoint support center. From here, as per your requirement, you can download OS. So we have a option like upgrade or new installation. So we'll be doing a new installation. So I'm just giving details as per that. Software product line is your say management server. The hardware appliance, I have open server, so open server. Appliance model is also open server. Operating system, we are particularly interested in a Gaia. The version, I'm talking about say any version, but for now say R80.30. Alright, and then I'll say next. And from here you see the download file, and if you come here and if you say download, then this file is downloaded. Okay, now let's go back to our lab. Here just click create new virtual system, typical. Okay, view the installation location. So I have a location gateway lab. Okay, I'm showing it for the R80.10. Same steps you can apply for any checkpoint version. There is no difference. For the sake of the memory utilization and RAM, I'm using this R80.10 because it will save some memory for me, and I am able to show you all the processes and everything how we do the installation. So here let's see, I'm looking for gateway OS, and I think this is a management OS. So let's go for the management one, R80.10. Click next. Your operating the new virtual system wizard will ask you for the guest operating system. You have to select here order. Next, give the location and the name. I'm just giving it as a SMS, and if I want to make it like MDS, so I can make it like MDS. So I mean you can give any name, but I wanted to have this management server as a MDS, so I'll give a name as a MDS. Let's give the location where this file should be reside. Let's go D, create one folder here, say MDS1. Alright. Okay, if you see here MDS1. Next. Oh, so it's in C. I don't want to do in C. I have a space in a D. I'll make a D drive folder here, MDS. Let's see. Okay. Go MDS. Okay. Next, what maximum disk size you can allocate? I'm just allocating 50 now. Or you can allocate more, but for me 50 is enough for now for the demo. Next, customize your hardware. Let's give 4 GB of RAM and the processor, 2 processors and 3 cores. I think that is sufficient enough. Now view the night drivers, network adapters. I'm giving like a bridge only, but add multiple here. This will be useful. I'm just putting maybe 3 for now. Let's see. Okay, I'm putting everything in a bridge mode just in case if we need to communicate with the other adapters from the NIC. So that is also done. Everything's good. Let's finish. Okay, let's power on the virtual machine. Okay, let's install the drive system. Okay, the processing will begin in a minute. Starting initialization. Loading storage drivers. Loading USB storage drivers. You need to bear with me because the process of installing the OS is taking some time, but it is important to see each and every phase here, so will we understand what are the things coming in the picture. So it's starting the installation now. Okay, now we got it, the welcome screen. This process will install the checkpoint gateway R80.10 operating system and associated application. Let's click OK. Which language you want to have? Keyboard language, US. Okay. I'm selecting by default things here. Okay. Give the password. This password will help you when you log into the GUI as in when you do the HTTPS and the IP address of this gateway for the further configuration, or IP address of this MDS for further configuration. I will show you. This password particularly used over there, not to the login to the smart dashboard. Keep in mind. Okay. Click OK. So if you want to give the interface IP addresses, you can do it from here. At least one IP address is important, so you have to enter. Say by default I'm giving on the same subnet range. I'll give 254 IP address, and I'm not selecting default gateway as of now. Okay, and now it start installation. So it's formatting the files for operating system. Package is getting installed, so the installation will take some time. So let's wait. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am giving too many contents on checkpoint firewall and other firewall, which is like a Palo Alto, FortiGate. I started with the checkpoint firewall, but I'll be giving a lot of content on different firewalls. So try to subscribe my channel and click bell icon, and you'll be able to see whatever the video I'm uploading over there. And I'm assuring you I'll be uploading the contents, whichever the contents are very deep in a manner where you will understand a lot under this firewall world. To be honest, I have opened this channel to give you understanding on more of the core things, how the firewall works, not only with the the way we look in the firewall, but what actually happens inside in the firewall. That's what I wanted to give you guys. So see, or you can see my different videos. If you go to the video which I have uploaded recently, which is a packet inspection. This video gives you in detail how the packet is inspected by the firewall. What are the different inspection points comes when the packet is entering with the firewall. How the firewall looks at that packet, and how the packet is get processed. All those details you will find into this video. Likewise, I have many videos uploaded which will give you in-depth details on this thing. So it's like a free knowledge you are getting. If for such advanced details, you need to pay to the checkpoint or some vendor, third party vendor who is providing those trainings. But I'm trying to give those details really because I wanted to understand you guys everything. You should understand everything about this world. So now I think the formatting and everything is got completed, and now it looks like we need to reboot the gateway. Let's enter or space. Now let's see. Okay, it's getting rebooted. Awesome. So this is simply something gets thrown by the ability from the VM itself. So don't bother about it. It's not an error. It's just something they came up with. And again, this warning is also not taking something worried because it's open server, and due to the limited space we are doing this. We are seeing this. It's saying like PCI MMCSC unit marking to 56 only space unreachable. And that is fine. That will not impact anything. So don't worry about it. I think in a minute that console will come and you'll able to see are you able to log into the this smart manager. See, it's come. Now guys, if you want to check your password and everything, you just go ahead and log in. Okay, it's working well, but you don't have to do anything now because there is one more phase of the installation is remaining, which is usually done by the web UI. So let's go to the web UI and type the IP address of this firewall, which is 192.168.254. Okay, it will ask you for the certificate error. This is normal because we haven't uploaded our certificate from the gateway, so that is normal. Give the username and password. See, I told you the username and password we created at the initial time. That you need to enter here, and that password is for this thing only. This is nice. Sorry, I may enter the wrong password. Let me re-enter it. Okay, I think now I got the access. Now let's begin the journey. Checkpoint first time configuration wizard. You are just a few steps away from using system. Click next. Okay, click next. Continue with RT.10 configuration. You can continue with that, or if you have you wanted to install the version from the cloud, you can select this option. Or you have a USB drive from over there you want to install, you can select this option. Or if you have a snapshot of your existing this OS, you can import it from here. So these options is very important. Not now, but the time when your gateway got got some error and not able to come up, and you have to re-image it, or you have to put the backup on or a snapshot on. That time you are able to use this option. So don't underestimate these options. These are very important options as well. Next, management connection. Give the interface IP address. If you want to change here, you can change, but you just don't play here. Let's go default gateway game now. If you want to configure the ETH1 IP address also, you can configure from here, but you don't have to, at least in this lab. Give the host name here. I'll give say MDS only. DNS name is optional, you can give anything, whatever your environment suggests. So I'm just giving firewalljan.com. Primary DNS, you can put your environment DNS. I'm putting Google DNS, and rest of the thing is big. If you are using proxy, you can set up the proxy here. No, if not, don't use it. Then select this checkbox. Next, by default time comes. I'm in India, so it by default took this timing from my system. If you're using some another, you are in another country, it will give that time. And if you have a network protocol, you can give that here. Okay, network time protocol. Sorry, the details are here. Next. This is important steps. Now there are two things. One, you can configure this as a security management server or a security gateway. If you have that, you can do it from here. Or if you want to configure it as a management domain server, I'm sorry, multi-domain server, so you can select the another option. Right? Select the multi-domain server. If you want to test a security management server functionality, just not the MDS, only the security management functionality, select this option. But I'm showing you MDS, configuration. Just select this thing. Next, this is your primary multi-domain server, secondary or multi-domain log server. So this is a primary because it's a personal, and it is very important to select this. Automatically download the latest contracts and other information, highly recommended. If you not select this, there will be some issues when you download the OS while upgrading to the latest version. So if you don't select this option, that OS download will not happen, or there will be some other issues. So we recommend click this. Next, select the leading interface. When you usually install the MDS, you have to give the leading interface where the connectivity is. So I am setting this as 0. Next, GUI client can log into the multi-domain server from any for now I'm giving, but if you have to give more secure, you want to make more secure environment, you can give the IP addresses here, right? I'm giving any. Next, use guide administrator. So here you can use whatever the username and password you configure when you initialize this OS. That username, admin, and the password what we have given, you can use. You can get. You can use same while logging to the smart dashboard on the rest of the smart console application, or you can define new one from here. I'm using the previous one, but let's define new one better. Let's see. I can give sorry, name and password. Click next. This is also important. This is for the checkpoint guys. Checkpoint vendor. Click that. This is another environment. Let's click start process. Yeah, it will start the process of configuring this thing, configuring all the components of the MDS. So verification is done. Multi-domain server is getting installed now. That will also done. Let's wait for a minute. Let it get completed. I'm getting too many comments stating that can you take the training on a VSS when the VSS training will start. I need to have at least a 10 member who are interested in training in such advanced topics like the VSS, MDS, right? So if you are interested, comment me on a comment box. I need to have a 10 people at least, and once I have that total number of 10 people, then I'll conduct a training, and that training will be in depth. It's like I'll assure you will be become a very good in VSX. most of the things will cover in a VSS. At least whenever you jump onto the VSS environment, you will be able to have at least you will get a confidence that okay, I can deliver that work easily, and do the troubleshooting and resolve a lot of things. So that confidence and that visibility and that sort of hands-on, I can assure you when I have a training on the VSS or whatever the different part of the checkpoint world. So now it's getting finalizing the configuration. It's taking a minute. So let's wait for a minute while it gets completed. Finalizing the configuration. This may take a minute. So if you're installing the SNS or a smart management server, not MDS, the process is same. Only it will not ask you for that ATS 0 like a leading interface and all. Rest of the things are same, and we all know what MDS is and what SNS is. What are the different features we get from the MDS, and what are the different features are available in the MDS but not into the SNS. Again, depending on your license also, whenever you buy the license, it involved MDS or not, that is also important thing. The things come in mind that you can extend your this is a 15 days valid license what we are installing, but you can extend that to 30 days and keep having those 30 days all the time. Not all the time, I mean you can keep extending those licenses all the time. I have a altogether different video uploaded on my channel. You can look into that and see how can you can take a license from the checkpoint for free. They call it as a evaluation license for the different feature testing. You can take those license, install into your system, and keep your lab up to date all the time. So that is also possible. So check out my video. I'll try to put that link in the description, so it will be helpful for you guys to have this lab extended for 30 days, and after that also keep extending for many days. So now it's getting finalized. Just wait for another minute. It's now at the 90%. I think it will take hardly 30-40 seconds more to complete. Finalizing the configuration. Come on, checkpoint. I think this is the stage where the configuration actually verified and place those files, configuration files into your system. Due to that, it's taking time. And guys, also please make a note that if you install if you perform the installation with the actual appliances also, not with these VMware or the open server, similar sort of things you will see. There is no difference at all. Everything is same, and you just have to follow the same path, the one I have just shown you. Let's see the state. 90% now. So let's pause this video here, and once it's completed, I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. I think configuration is got completed successfully. Let's click OK. Now it will ask you to log in again. So you can download the this smart console application. Yeah. So see here, if you see from here, you can download this smart console application. Just click download. And yeah, it's getting downloaded. So smart console, if you are new, if you don't know about what is smart console is when you talk about the checkpoint three-tier architecture. They have a management server, security gateway. Management server is one tier, not a tier, and the gateway is your second tier. And this smart console application and where it gets installed, that they call it as a tier 1. So smart console is something from where you can log into the different features and in different blades of the checkpoint firewalls, and you do all those things like the policy configuration, object creation, VPNs, everything. I'll just show you all that things. So I think it's got downloaded, and let's get installed. So let's see. Okay, the installation is just started. It takes again a minute or two to get completely installed. So again, this smart console application is also sensitive with the OS. So if you are running say R80.10 or R80.2030, respective smart console application will be installed. So for a R80.10, so you need to have R80.10. Okay. Let's see if I can install it, but maybe not. Let's see. Let me install into the C drive, and it's getting installed. The installation is in progress now. It will take another minute or two to get installed. So I think while installing the smart console, you will see what are the different things are there. See, giving you the next generation policy. Policy can be segmented into the manageable section to align with your network. This is very interesting to read this thing because they give you whatever the features they have. See, integrated threat management. Threat management is fully integrated with the login, monitoring, event correction, correlation. The threat management gives you a dashboard for full visibility into security across the network. Reports are easily tailored for stakeholders and accessible from any web browser. Alright, Checkpoint Infinity is the first completed security across the network, cloud and mobile, providing the things, efficient automation, policy best practice feature provides secure intelligence to help administer work smarter, routine tasks can be automated and delegated, empowering smart APIs, general trusted integration with the orchestration infrastructure, providing the way for fully automated. One policy for user data, application, and network provides unparalleled control and consistently security. Policy can be segmented into the manageable section to align with your network or a business need. Each policy segment can be delegated, automated, or deployed independently for the breakthrough control and accuracy. Wow. So see, Integrated threat management itself gives you too many things. We will go each and every feature one by one, sooner or later. I wanted to show you how the checkpoint wall is so beautiful and give you so many features and so many things to give, yes, to provide, enhance your security in a work, one work. Wow. Now it's 95%. Efficient automated operations. Policy best practice features forward security intelligence to help administrators work smarter. Routine tasks can be automated and delegated. Wow. Empowering security self-service for business owners. Smart APIs enable process intelligence without expression, such as proving. What is this? Paving the way. One policy for user, data, application, and network providers. Yep. So policy can be segmented with a manageable section to align with your network or a business needs. Too many things. Alright, it's got installed. Let's finish and let's log in. So again, I'm just showing you for the R80.10, but same procedure, same thing you can use with any other version. So let's give the username, give the password. Okay, username I have given my name. Password. The IP address 192.168.1.254. There are two options: read only, demo mode. I have already provided a video what demo mode gives you, and read only is something where you just see the things, you won't be able to modify it. Let's connect. Okay, it's asking for the fingerprint verification. Proceed. Alright, proceed. Initializing services. Loading data, launching application. Welcome to the Smart Console, and here we will see all the options which is provided by the checkpoint. Alright, now you are officially at the MDS, and from here you will able to do all the MDS sort of work. So I'm ending this video here. On the next video we'll discuss more on MDS, and we'll install the gateways and all, and after that we'll do the VSX configuration, because a lot of requests I got for the VSX, and then we'll try to upgrade the VSX and upgrade this MDS related world. Okay guys, so if you watch this video till here, so don't go without subscribing my channel. First like, then subscribe, and put your valuable comments and let me know how you found this video. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day ahead.